Hi, my name is Chetna Chauhan and I'm Maven Miss Plus Size West India 2019. I want to really thank the entire team of UK International Beauty School. They have done my hair, makeup and everything, and I'm just loving my look. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars are burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Hello everyone, my name is Gunpit Kaur. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. Firstly, I want to thank Miss Shreya who did my makeup. She's from UK International Beauty School. Thank you so much. जिन्होंने मेरे इतनी सोनी gorgeous look देती. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Sneha from UK International Beauty School and she has done a wonderful job here. She's done an amazing, glamorous makeup and I'm really very happy with it and I'm really looking forward to working with her again. Thank you Sneha, thank you so much.
Hi, so today I got my makeup done from UK International. So Miss Shobha over here did my makeup. I really loved it a lot. So all the best and you're doing great work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti and she is Riya from UK Academy, International Academy Makeup Institute. So she has done a perfect makeup, very settled, and I am looking like a princess today. Thank you, Riya.
Welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalu Garg. I'm from Ludhiana, Punjab. So today I came here for the Mrs. India. And so firstly I want to say thanks to Ashlesha. She is from UK International and she has done a wonderful job and she has done my makeup and hairs. So thank you everyone and thank you to UK International. Thank you so much.